you guys are interested in getting into a trade, doing this little tiny services, they're not hard at all. You actually like doing them. It's not ones where you got to crawl under cabinets or crawl into the attic or do stuff where you hate doing them. I can't imagine doing that. But it's ones where you're right there, nobody's bothering you, you're right there by the truck. You just fix them and you go right back in the truck, write a receipt, and get a big check. For a guy like me, he's been doing it over 40 years, to be your mentor and tell you exactly what to do, how to get in the business, and not have to learn by your mistakes. So if you listen to me exactly the way I tell you to do it, you'll be up and running within 30 to 40 days. I'll even tell you where to market yourself for free, but you don't even got to pay for ads, and how to keep your ads always going where they always call you back. And if you want to get bigger, you can hire more people, buy more trucks, advertise bigger. So nobody's going to do all this stuff for you. But, you know, in any trade you learn, you're never going to get an opportunity like this. I put a lot of people into business and they're all making great money. So if you want to get in, have a mentor tell you exactly how to do it. I've been doing it since 1979. You know, you got the young guys commenting, oh, I would have done that for only $99. It's like, the people that make money in this business are the people that know how to charge and know what they're worth. Nobody wants to work hard. People want to work smart, not hard. So any of you guys thinking about getting in the garage door business, I got 45 years experience and I used to hang a lot of doors and I've seen every situation. I can tell you how to do everything. So give us a call. Talk at you. Click below to watch a free lesson and don't forget to like and subscribe.